Are you curious about unlocking the potential of cryptocurrency trading, but find it daunting? Crypto Trading Academy is the gateway to mastering this ever-evolving field. With many aspiring traders seeking a reliable source to understand market trends and techniques, Crypto Trading Academy stands as a solution that simplifies complex topics, making them accessible to beginners and advanced traders alike. As you dive into Crypto Trading Academy, you'll uncover a structured path to enhance your trading skills, guided by industry experts and a supportive community. At Crypto Trading Academy, you'll find everything you need to make well-informed trading decisions, from understanding blockchain basics to implementing advanced strategies. This course is designed with flexibility in mind, allowing participants to learn at their own pace. Whether you're new to the crypto world or an experienced trader looking to refine your skills, Crypto Trading Academy provides the tools, insights, and support to elevate your trading journey. One standout feature of Crypto Trading Academy is its practical approach to learning. Rather than overwhelming you with theory, the Academy emphasizes real-world applications, enabling you to apply what you learn directly to your trading activities. Additionally, Crypto Trading Academy leverages AI to enhance trading strategies, making it a valuable resource in today's data-driven environment. The Academy's curriculum covers essential areas, from technical analysis to risk management, ensuring you gain a comprehensive understanding of cryptocurrency trading. Beyond just the educational content, Crypto Trading Academy fosters a community of like-minded individuals. Engaging with other traders provides invaluable networking opportunities, allowing you to exchange ideas, ask questions, and share experiences. Crypto Trading Academy understands that learning can be more effective when you're part of a supportive community, so they've built a platform that encourages collaboration and support among participants. The flexibility of Crypto Trading Academy makes it ideal for those with busy schedules. You can access course materials anytime, revisit modules, and learn at a pace that suits your lifestyle. This adaptability ensures that Crypto Trading Academy caters to learners from all walks of life, helping you balance your trading education with other commitments. With a curriculum designed to evolve with market trends, Crypto Trading Academy remains relevant in the fast-paced world of cryptocurrency. In addition to a solid educational foundation, Crypto Trading Academy provides valuable tools and resources to assist you on your trading journey. From charting templates to trading strategies, each resource is crafted to enhance your trading experience. These tools make it easier to analyze the market, identify trends, and make informed decisions. Crypto Trading Academy is dedicated to equipping you with everything necessary to succeed in cryptocurrency trading. Each module within Crypto Trading Academy is thoughtfully designed to cover a specific aspect of crypto trading. Starting with an introduction to cryptocurrency and blockchain technology, the course gradually progresses to more advanced topics, such as candlestick patterns, order types, and AI-based trading strategies. The structured learning path at Crypto Trading Academy ensures that you build a strong foundation before moving on to more complex trading techniques. A notable aspect of Crypto Trading Academy is its emphasis on AI-driven trading strategies. These strategies have been shown to outperform traditional methods, particularly in volatile or inflationary markets. Crypto Trading Academy not only teaches you how to leverage AI algorithms, but also provides practical experience in using them, making it easier to adapt to modern trading environments. With Crypto Trading Academy, you'll receive unlimited access to course content, allowing you to revisit modules and solidify your understanding. The Academy also offers a 60-day money-back guarantee, giving you the confidence to invest in your education without financial risk. This commitment to quality reflects the Academy's dedication to delivering an impactful and valuable learning experience. Instructors at Crypto Trading Academy bring years of industry experience, offering insights and mentorship that go beyond the course material. Their expertise spans cryptocurrency trading, forex, and stock markets, ensuring you gain a well-rounded perspective on trading. With seasoned professionals guiding you, Crypto Trading Academy makes learning both accessible and impactful. For those concerned about cost, Crypto Trading Academy offers various packages to suit different budgets. The basic package is an excellent starting point for beginners, while the Pro and Elite packages provide advanced content and personalized tools for those looking to deepen their trading knowledge. This tiered pricing structure ensures that Crypto Trading Academy is accessible to a wide audience, making it a valuable investment for anyone interested in cryptocurrency. Throughout the course, live trading sessions allow you to observe real-time market analysis and strategy application. These sessions are an integral part of Crypto Trading Academy's learning experience, providing you with hands-on exposure to the fast-paced nature of crypto trading. By participating in these sessions, you'll gain the confidence to implement strategies in your trading activities. In addition to the core curriculum, Crypto Trading Academy provides exclusive success metrics that highlight its effectiveness. With over 1,500 learners and a high satisfaction rate, Crypto Trading Academy has established itself as a trusted platform for crypto education. Testimonials from satisfied students underscore the Academy's impact, making it clear that Crypto Trading Academy is more than just a course. It's a community dedicated to helping you succeed. Ready to transform your understanding of cryptocurrency trading? Crypto Trading Academy offers a comprehensive education that equips you with the skills and confidence needed to navigate the crypto market. Secure your spot today and take the first step toward becoming a knowledgeable and capable crypto trader with Crypto Trading Academy. This journey could be the key to unlocking your potential and achieving success in the